Supra-1640AHD Precision Surface Grinder. ACER Saddle Type Large Travel 3-Axis Precision Automatic Surface Grinder. 12 great reasons to go ACER Supra-1640AHD Grinder. 1. Vibration-free dynamic balance 7.5 horsepower V3 graded spindle motor for heavy grinding. 2. Front mount 4 screws cartridge type spindle with 4 pieces super precision class 7 angular ball bearing for precision grinding. They are sealed and greased for life. 3. Full honeycomb rib and reinforced high column designed to ensure the highest rigidity during heavy grinding. 28 and 5/16 inch from tabletop to the center of spindle. Machine is heavily casted with 8,600 pounds behind-eye casting to ensure heavy-duty grinding. Machine can handle large-size grinding wheel 14-inch OD, 5-inch ID, 2-inch thickness for more efficient grinding. 4. Longitudinal table feed slide way is 1V and 1 flat. Extra wide cross feet are double V way. Both are laminated with tersite B to obtain anti-friction for smooth table movement. 5. Revolutionary proximity switch makes sure the table movement is smooth and easy. Preset table speed hydraulic control allow for fine control of table speed down to 4 inch per minute. Six, 30-gallon large volume tank. Control temperature rising no more than 20 degrees over room temperature and to avoid change of viscosity of hydraulic oil to ensure for a long run operation. 7. Vertical feed system powered by double motors. Stepping motor on downfeed system ensures an accurate downfeed amount. Auto downfeed and jogging, minimum increment 50 million to maximum 2,000. An AC motor for rapid and slow up down. This system is designed with simple operation and easy maintenance in mind. Our accuracy guarantee 4/10 within 40 inches flatness. 8. Recirculating auto lubrication system ensure all contact surfaces are properly lubricated. 9. Cross-feed lock and proximity switch designed for cross-feed travel. Cross-feed with ball screw design eliminates backlash in this axis. 10. 24-volt control panel is laid out section by section, easy for users to understand. LED screen display allows users to detect oil inadequacy, downfeed amount, and procedure errors. 11. Electrical cabinet is systematically laid out. All wires are color-coded and numbered. Therefore, it is the easiest to maintain and repair. 12. ACER offers the best accessories package and full 1-year warranty. The generous package includes 1. Parallel dresser for convenient wheel dressing. 2. Magnetic separator coolant system with paper filter for cleaning coolant to achieve a nice grinding finish. 3. Magnetic chuck and chuck control, which you can adjust, hold power, and auto release parts easily. 4. Halogen light included. 5. Balancing stand and arbor standard.
With more than 30 years of grinding experience, ACER Supra grinders are built for easy operation and easy maintenance, and for production application. Hundreds of durable Supra-1640AHD are running every day to produce the accurate parts customers need. Choose ACER grinders. Join with the hundreds of satisfied customers. We hope your next grinder will be ACER.